it's going, the video's going now.
This is the closest you're going to get to a human in your entire life. Aren't you cute? Oh, he's popped on my finger, David.
Oh, thank you, dear.
Yeah, he's getting much more lively now and breathing a lot less hard.
Can you feel the breathing?
Oh, I can see it. He's so tiny. Do you want me to stand away from the sun? Oh, look at him, he's so lively now. He's so cute.
Come on, birdie,
I
I'm
wonder
up.
if I gave him some seeds, whether he'd eat them. Oh, he's moved. So tiny, isn't he?
He ain't got much idea of protecting himself, has he?
Well, he's a baby. I think he's a baby.
Let's get close to him.
Well, he's never had danger from this source before, has he? He just sat there when he fell into the greenhouse and allowed me to pick him up. I want to let you go, but I don't want the cats to get at you. You're so sweet.
I'm sure if I get very close, he's bound to get frightened and fly off.
No. He's very comfortable where he is. He knows he's not in any danger. There he goes, no? See that? He couldn't do that a short while ago. He's hearing someone singing. There he goes.
Oh, he went.